Hello and welcome back everyone to another episode of Ask the Accountant. I have with me Sharaz Zaman from GM Professional Accountants, and our topic today is on landlords. It's on properties, whether it's a better investment to buy them in your sole name or in a limited company. It's a hot topic. This is a topic that's been going on for quite a decade. What is the best way to buy a property? I guess the best answer to that would be from yourself, Shiraz. Is there any sort of way where an individual will benefit from a limited company, which is classified as an SPV, if I'm correct? Or would it be better for them to purchase this in the individual name?
So I think what we need to first establish is the person's circumstances. If it's a basic rate payer and they have nothing else, and they've got that sort of 15, 20,000 pound up to the 50k limit, then you might think about buying it on your individual name. But if you're a higher rate payer, and because of the mortgage interest restriction of the 20% of the basic rate, also the payment on account, also the 40% higher bracket, then you may want to look at an SPV, which means buying a property in a limited company. And this is now becoming a trend. And the reason that's becoming a trend is because it's more tax efficient because of the mortgage interest restriction and also lower payment on account. And the corporation tax is charged either 19 or 25%, depending on your profits.
Okay. With an SPV company, I guess the structure for that needs to be set up from an accountant. Is that correct?
Yes, this is not a normal company that you can just set up. It's specific SIC codes that you need to put on there. And also, in my book, I've written that, and it gives you the SIC codes. You can download that. And regarding the setup part of it, it's a limited company, and it's limited by shares. So you'll have to set that up on Companies House if you wish to. And the process is mainly the SIC codes that the either the lender or whoever is setting it up, a solicitor, will need to confirm.
Shiraz, you just mentioned there that you've written a book on this.
Yes.
Is that correct? Is that book readily available? I mean, where would we be able to get a copy of that book?
That book is on our website and it's free to download. And it's the aim of that book is to educate people, educate the high rate payers to help understand how to make more of your current scenarios. So at the trigger point will be when you are going to buy these properties. It's important to understand what the implications are down the line in the next sort of 5 to 10 years, as the autumn statement is coming and we are unsure of what the updates are going to be. It's always important to keep up to date with the latest changes.
You mentioned the autumn report. I did hear of something to do with the landlords that is going to come out. I mean, every autumn report, there seems to be something, for the landlords that have come out. So I take it from your book, it would give them a good insight to understand whether it would be good for them to purchase it on an SPV or to keep it in the individual name.
Yeah, I mean, SPV, you can get an understanding of it, but you still need to look at the autumn statement to see if there's any changes. So, you have to adapt to each year's budgets and statements in order to make sure that the information that you are reading is still up to date.
Sure, it sounds like at GM Professional Accountants, you keep up to date with, with the property sort of market in a sense, and what the best practice of purchase is. You specialize in this, I take it. I mean, you've written a book on it, so I take it you specialize in this.
Yes, correct. We do specialize in this, and this is a strategy that our clients have saved thousands. And that's because you need the person at the right time with the right advice and ensuring they know the background of what you want to achieve. Everybody's goals are different. Some want to retire early, some want investment income. So it depends what your goal is. And our aim here at GM Professional Accountants is to ensure that we are taking care of our clients' needs and their future goals. So here we have a selected number of clients that we take on, that we provide a high quality service, and our reviews do show that.
Sure, as I'm going to go into my final question, it'll be more in regards to a property purchased. So would it be better for someone to buy the property and then open the SPV company, or is it vital for the SPV company to be open before purchasing the property?
The first point of contact whenever you do something, if you're going to get a mortgage on this, is in order to contact the broker, because that's when it becomes reality. You need to understand that if you're going to be able to get that mortgage, secondly, then if that is feasible, you would set up the company, instruct a solicitor upon the purchase, and that's how it all fall into play.
Thank you again, Shiraz. We will be sure to add a link below for your book for everyone to download. And thank you everyone for joining in with us today. If you would kindly like to share, like, and subscribe. If there are any topics that you'd like to go into, kindly leave them in the comment section below. And please see our link below for Shiraz's book, and also if GM Professional Accountants can help you. Thank you.